Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonam. Today is the most exciting day for me because I'm starting a new chapter of my life. And look what came in the mail. You guys probably already know by the title of this video, but this new baby is here. And these are the other stuff that's needed for the camera. It just came in the mail this morning. So the packages that I got are from Amazon. I'll link it down below. And oh my god, I can't wait to do unboxing.
I can't see your face. Wow, what is that?
Canon M50.
Wow.
That was really my hit. Do color. Thank you. The cameraman. So here we are. Let's do the unboxing. Manual. Oh my god. This is the strap. This is the strap. This is the lens. That's the battery. Is the baby. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. This is the charger. So the sad part is my room is really small, so I don't have. Hold on. So the sad part is my room is really tiny, so I don't have space for any like study desk or any desk because it's filled with my bed and my drawer. So I have everything here. Let me move back and let's open them. Let's open the camera first, which is like the most exciting part. Oh my god. This is like, just so you guys know, this is like the first time that I am investing on a camera, which is like the basic thing for like any YouTuber. Not that I'm a regular YouTuber, but like I'm like finally like after I used to have like a couple different YouTube accounts when I used to sing and when I used to make other videos. So I've been a member of YouTube since like 2000, I don't know man, like maybe 5-6 years now. But this channel is the one that I created like just specifically for my vlogs. And ever since then I've been using my phone and my GoPro. Yeah, so this is like the major investment because I don't really use the GoPro. I totally forgot about the GoPro, guys. Seriously. So, oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god. Guys, this is so... Oh my god, hold on. Doesn't have a battery, so I have to put a battery in. So this is the camera. Oh my god. Look at this. This is the camera and I can flip it so that I could shoot like this and I can still see my face. And it's kind of lightweight. So let's keep this aside. Let's do the lens. This lens is so like cute and light and it's perfect for this kind of camera. So this lens is 15 to 45 millimeters and made in Taiwan. Nice. Take a look at this. So let's put that in. I have to open this up. I have like a runny nose. So when you hear the click, that means it's locked. So here it is. Let's open the strap. Yeah, but it's so cute because it's like this, so you could put it around your neck and just carry the camera. It's for the battery. Let's open this up. You don't need this because you're gonna plug this right in here, and then you charge it until it shows its green. Yep, so it's charging. This is the disc. So somebody came to disturb me. Show yourself in the camera. Kali, ice cream. The camera. This got this. Cling. This got. So let's unbox this together. Can you unbox this one, please?
Let me use my nails.
The scissor button. So rich.
No one is one. We're gonna have some party.
What is that?
Party. Ooh, isn't this for the sound thing?
Yeah.
Bitch, you got everything?
Okay, dipping more that tab yan di red rish. Oh my god.
Why?
Ale dipping reda.
It's not really pink. It's reddish pink.
I thought the whole thing was pink because it showed pink in the.
Wow, she's gonna game up her YouTube. Takar nga Bradman YouTube the bed.
For such a small thing, I have to work so hard. 128 GB SD card.
Bitch.
I wasn't able to.
The interview Charlie the Jackson la tomba is very cute.
Dainty.
Yeah, and it's like
This is the new camera. We set up everything, but I'm charging my battery, so see you
it's
guys
like
in a
some
little bit.
great quality vlogs. Like, oh my god!
Mirrorless.
Hey guys.
And then can you put this in?
Put this on. How the fuck do I put this?
So guys, we are done with the setup of my Canon M50. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below about this camera. And yeah, hello,
See ya.
see you. Bye. This is Sonam's live. Just kidding. You thought I was gone? How is the video quality now? We are on Canon M50. Yay! I hope there's a difference. So yeah, and that's basically the main reason why I switched on to Canon M50. Hopefully this will be a smooth ride for us. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you very soon in my next. And yeah, this is Sonam's life, and this is life. Sorry. All right, guys, bye.
Bye. This one. Bye.
Daniel.